Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to see how to define variables and data types. So, first of all, to define any variable, let's say I want to take fruit name equal to banana. So here we are not defining any data type, which means like Python explicitly we are not going to define any data type, but inbuilt Python will understand this. This is a string type. Um, let's print it. So I'm just printing the fruit name. Otherwise what I do is like I also print type of fruit name, so that we'll get to know like which data type it is taking. Fruit underscore name. Okay, let's print it. So you can see, right, banana, and it's nothing but a string type. It's saying that class str, which is nothing but in Python fruit name is considered as a string data type. And also ab equal to 123. I want to know the type of ab. So type of AB is 123. 123 is integer, we know, right? So it's a type is integer showing up. So these are the inbuilt which using the type function we will get to know which type data type it belongs to. Also, like if you want to initialize the variables in the single row, we can also do that. A comma equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So it's not always like you need to define only int type or a same data type when you are initializing the single row. We can also type apple, so you can initialize with the different data types as well. Let's go with float this time. Print a comma b comma c. Rerun again. So 1 comma apple comma 9.0. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you.